Wanting to claim tax deductions in your return but don't have your receipts? Here's some information on how that can work. Hi, I'm Sam Keats from Keats Accounting. One of the common things we hear is that people have spent money but they haven't kept the receipts. So today I thought I'd talk to you about exactly what you need receipts for and why it's so important that you keep them. We have a rule called the $300 limit. You can claim tax deductions up to $300 without having receipts. Now, there are a couple of things you need to keep in mind with this. When we talk about $300, we're talking about the total of all of your deductions for motor vehicle expenses, travel, uniform, self-education, and other work expenses. So it's really easy to get over that $300 limit. And once you are over that limit, you actually need proof for every single expense, not just the bits over $300. Even if you don't claim more than $300 and the ATO says you don't actually need receipts up to that amount, you do still have to be able to prove to the ATO how you've spent that money. So keep that in mind. It's not just a blanket $300 deduction. You still have to be able to show reasonably how you've spent the money. So for example, bank statements or those sorts of things to prove that you are spending the $300 in connection with work. So it's really important that you do keep your receipt. You can use a basic program like Xero, or the ATO have an app which is very inexpensive. It's about $1.50 to purchase, that allows you to take photographs of your receipts during the year and categorize them, and that is accepted as proof. You don't then have to keep the original receipts. So what if it comes to tax time and you actually don't have anything? Well, as I said, the best advice I can give you, keep them for next year. But what do we do about the year that's already gone? Well, there are still some things you can claim without receipts because we have reasonableness claims. So for example, some of the things we've covered under other topics: gas and electricity expenses for time spent working from home, motor vehicle cents per kilometre for travel done at work. You can claim for laundry of protective clothing and work uniforms with the logo on it. So there are still some things that can be claimed without your receipts. If you need advice that's specific to your circumstances, then give us a call. We'd be more than happy to help. See you next week.